That's a great question. We get answered that a lot. People are inquiring about a laundromat. How much is it going to cost? Well, it's kind of like defining, I want to build a house. How much is it? What are your goals? What are you trying to achieve? Where the market is, location. There really isn't a set number. We've had some small town laundromats where let's say you have 600 or 800 square feet next to a little C-store or something that you can't rent. You're just looking for income and the little town doesn't have it. We'll put maybe 5 or 6, machines in, so maybe some larger machines to be able to do horse blankets or, larger items that people may want to do outside of their home to get washed. That's a different objective than somebody that's looking at building, a 3,000, 4,000, even 6,000 or 8,000 square foot building that will be generating, a significant amount of volume and a significant amount of income. We could see as many as 50 plus washers and the same number of dryers. So the gamut really is, it goes down to understanding, the market, understanding demographics, understanding the goals, what space we've got to work with, and making all of that work together. So it isn't just as simple as, we're just going to put 10 washers and 10 dryers and call it good. It really needs to be a tailored approach and working with professionals. And we've got some phenomenal people that have been at it for 20, 30 years that have built many successful laundromats in size proportionally and work within the project scope and budget.